Hi guys! So before Christmas, I had let you guys know that I had some exciting news coming up in the new year. And last week, I told you that this was the week I was gonna let you know what that exciting news is. So where do I begin? Okay, in the summertime, YouTube had announced that they were giving away funding to education-based channels for educational content. And over the years, a lot of people have asked me to do ASL sentences on my channel. And I only do one word and one sign. And I only teach the difference between certain confusing signs. I don't teach full-on ASL vocabulary, sentences, grammar, syntax, all of that. And with ASL, it is its own language. It's not English put into sign form. It's quite different actually from English. So I decided what I was going to do is apply for the grant and hire a friend of mine who's deaf, and he's an ASL teacher, to help co-host a program with me, a video series where we teach you guys more formal ASL sentences and all of that kind of stuff. So I got the grant, so that was super exciting. I can't believe that I did. I don't know. You know, just when you apply for something, you kind of hope it's going to happen, but don't really expect it to happen. So I got the grant and I was able to hire my friend to do a video series. We shot down at the YouTube space. I'm just really, really excited. It's finally coming to wraps and we're beginning the launch next week. So next week is going to be lesson 1. Now, originally it was going to be one video per lesson, and we ended up shooting so much content that I can break each lesson into 3 videos. So what I'm going to do is we have the first video is the vocabulary of the lesson, so learning all the signs. The second video puts those signs into sentences. And the third video quizzes you on your knowledge of that lesson. So I'm going to be posting each lesson for the next 10 weeks, and each week we'll have 3 videos launched. So you'll be able to go through those. And hopefully by the end of the 10 weeks, you guys will have a nice foundation of basic sign language and maybe feel comfortable to go and continue your studies to take an ASL class in your area, because it's just a fantastic language to learn and continue developing. So that's my hope, is that by the end of the course, you'll be confident to learn more. All right, guys, well, I'm very excited to launch the first lesson next week. Please be sure to come back. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and make sure that you click the bell button, because that will let you know when the videos have launched. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye for now.